correct spacing should be the button size of the bag minus 11 mm. Lock the fixing screws on the front side of the drum wheel to secure the synchronous adjustment fixture of the second drum wheel fixture in the correct position. Install cushion block. Select the maximum size of the pad that can be placed. The striping groove of the pad is aligned with the striping groove of the drum wheel. Lock the screw. Install the other two groups of pads similarly. Adjust the drum wheel mechanical finger. Turn the machine manually so that the mechanical finger of the first station can reach the top of the drum wheel. Relax the fixed screws of the fixing frame of the drum wheel mechanism. Move the fixing frame of the drum wheel mechanical finger along the axis so that the mechanical fingertip of the drum wheel intersect with the width of the required surface. Lock the screws on the drum wheel. Set the synchronous adjustment holder for the center clip finger. Reducing the length of the paper bag length is the length of the first fold. Note the length of the first fold as the position of the center finger. Turn the machine manually to clip the center finger at the top of the drum wheel. Relax the center clip refers to the hexagonal screw of the fixing bracket. The distance between the top of the center clip to the first clip is the length of 3 to 5 mm at the bottom of the bag. Lock the screw after adjustment. Adjust the position of the paper tube guide plate. Relax the fixed screws of the paper tube guide plate. Move the guide plate along the axis so that the lower end of the guide plate enters the 20 to 30 mm side of the paper cylinder, and the upper end of the guide plate is about 3 mm away from the mechanical tip of the drum wheel. Lock the screws. The center clip refers to the release time. When the first fold-in knife pushes the first fold line into the drum first clamp, the can slave wheel just contacts the front edge of the can. Relax the fixed screw cap of the can. Move the can to the correct position along the positioning pin. Lock the fixed screw cap. Install the bottom of the bag. Cut the soft cushion on the foam material according to the required groove shape. Pass the foam pad on the appropriate position of the groove roller. Turn the machine to check whether the groove is normal. If no, repass the sponge soft pad to the appropriate position. Gel setting. Turn the groove adding button to the manual when the button groove will be manually grooved. Turn the groove adding button to the automatic when the button groove will be automatically grooved. Install the first and second folding knives. The length of the first folding knife is the paper bag surface width of plus 5 mm. Fold the first knife into the knife between the rack spring. Adjust the first folding knife so that the folding knife is parallel to the knife fold holder and extend the appropriate distance. Rock the bolts and fix the first folding knife. Install the second folding knife similarly. Adjust the time from the folding knife to the drum wheel clamp. Relax the fixing bolt on the second folding knife holder to adjust the operation time of the folding knife to the drum wheel clamp. Slowly turn the machine so that the second clamp of the drum wheel is located on the center line of the drum shaft and fold it into the knife shaft. Turn the second folding knife by hand to be close to the second clamper of the open drum wheel so that the folding knife just crosses the rear edge when the second clamper of the drum wheel is opened. If necessary, the drum wheel can be turned slightly to set the correct second folding knife position. Rock the bolts for the second fold into the knife holder. If the first folding knife needs to be adjusted, the method is the same as the above. Install protective bars. Install the guard on the shaft. After the correct installation of the guard should protect the back to the surface of the drum wheel, but do not affect the back button fold. Joint button device. When the fold approaches the back button closing plate, close the button roller enabling on the touch screen. The button of the back should slightly contact the unglued part on the inner surface of the fold. Open the enabling of the button roller on the touch screen and confirm the position of the button roller. The button roller changes rapidly. If the button size of the made bag is greater than or equal to 100 mm, please open or close the roll change speed. On the touch screen, enter the parameter setting interface. Click on the button with 5-star and enter the password 6666. Open the variable speed. Point the machine while closing the roll to the position of the first screw of the copper bar. Set the origin of the closing roll on the touch screen. Adjust the second clamshell release can. Turn the machine so that the button roller just through the second clip. Check if second gripper slave roller touches the rising portion of the second gripper release can and adjust if no. Relax the can retaining screw on the front of the wall and move the drum second clamp to release the can to the correct position. Rock the screw cap and secure the can position. Adjust the pressure of the distribution wheel. Click split cylinder on the touch screen. Extinguish the split cylinder button and relax the fixed screw cap of the front and rear stop screw. Turn the stop screw clockwise to increase the pressure, or turn the stop screw counterclockwise to reduce the pressure. Rock the fixing screw cap of the stop screw. Click split cylinder on the touch screen to light up the split cylinder button. Turn the machine to make a bag completely between the transfer and drum wheels. Pull the bag and confirm the slight resistance on the bag. There's a gap of at least 1 mm between the distribution wheel and the surface of the big drum. Collection department. Adjust the disc. Turn the machine in inch to get the bag out of the synchronous belt. Increase or reduce the collection adjustments on the touch screen. The gap between the disc is pointed out of the bag. Adjust the bag block. Relax both two baffle retaining screws. Move the bag baffle to fit inside or out depending on the width of the bag surface. Lock the screws.